Welcome back to my China travel series. This is part 2 of my visit to Huangguoshu Scenic Area, which is located in the Guizhou region of southern China and is well known for its beautiful waterfalls.
This is the last area of the greater Huangguoshu Scenic Area, the Tianxing Bridge area. It's a little more chill back here. Less people. Kind of like the stone forest outside Kunming, but with a little bit more water. We have some of the cool little walk-through stone portals like they had in the stone forest. Mostly I like the fact that there's not hordes of tourists here. Seems like a little more interesting area. It doesn't have like big attractions, but it's a little bit more chill. I'm a bit of a maze trying to figure out which way to go when you can't read any of the signs. They do have a nice bus system that takes you from one place to the next. I'm just gonna follow all these crazy little stones. I think this is part of the deal, is you just walk through these little stone walkways into this maze. See a goldfish just chilling. Okay. Look at this. Drink. Little bird. Interesting little rock formation in the water. Little maze of things to discover, but more like close nature here. I like it. It feels a lot more peaceful than the waterfall. Reflection of the clouds and the water there. And then they have these little rock passages that take you from one area to the next. Cool if those water lilies are blooming. There's a cactus. Little place. Little area to chill. Sounds like tourists on the other side. Look, they're right there. I'm not on the path to enlightenment. All these stones. I'm encountering some traffic on the path to enlightenment. Sometimes it happens. You hit traffic jams. Find a way to get around them. Darren's wise thoughts for the day. Here's the path less traveled. Let's go this way. This one doesn't even have numbers, so I know I'm going the right way. It's probably on a dead end, but you know, this is fun. It's a good way to end the day. After the big waterfall chaos. A few little flowers on the path of enlightenment. Let's stop and smell those. Smell like nothing. Cute little bird. Let's see if we can signal on that guy. He's hiding. I do like the addition of the water features here, and makes it a little more visually interesting. These rocks are fun. Through the last little part of the first half of the Tianxing Bridge area. Supposedly there's a lake at the end of this little passageway. We'll have a nice view. actually are some waterfalls too. Nice, peaceful lake setting with the sound of rock drilling in the background and grandma's chicken. Brought to you by Chinese Pepsi. Does anybody need a reminder that China is definitely not a capitalistic society? We have McDonald's in the middle of most of the national parks here. Capitalism in full bloom. Cool suspension bridge. And over this little gorge. Little tiny waterfall in the background. Lighting in this little passage. It's like fake stone bridge. Maybe it originally was not fake. There's a big gorge right there. This little view down. This little view there in the mountain is the little gorge that we just passed through. A little bridge crossing over. And there's a big bubbling pool. Looks like the water's actually coming up out of the rock. The bubbling pool where a lot of water is coming out from under the rock and flowing down in these rapids. It's crazy behind them.
The last stop on my all-day walking tour was the Yinlian Zuitan waterfall, which, although very hard to say, was actually quite beautiful, with textured rippling water flowing from all three sides into a funnel as it entered the gorge below. I was somewhat surprised to see this house perched on the cliff above the national park, and I couldn't help but feel a little bit jealous of having that amazing view outside of my house every day.
Trying to escape the stone maze before it gets dark. That's the challenge. It's a pretty fun day. There's some huge waterfalls in the beginning, which were cool, but not very interactive, I guess you could say. Not a lot of grandeur. But then the last part was really cool. It was kind of like Stone Forest in Kunming. That's a fun little snaking passageways through the rocks. Lots of little streams of water flowing everywhere. I think you can always rely on in China. It's some nice music. Real water. It's like the exiting the park music. Like, we hope you've enjoyed your visit to the Huangshuo scenic area. Please make your way promptly to the exit and enjoy some nice walking music on your way out. Thank you very much.